We have gathered here to celebrate our victory, or you can say our recognition for our efforts globally and at our national level also. So I wish to thank you one and all present in the room, airlines, ground handlers, our regulatory bodies like BCS is here, RDXGOA is here, CSF, customs, immigration, is the fuel partners, and majorly, most importantly, our housekeeping staff, because they are the direct, you can say the results that is shown on this satisfaction level by the passengers. So further, it's a moment of immense pride for all of us at Dabolim Airport. I have invited you today to share some exciting news that puts Goa firmly on the global aviation map. I am thrilled to announce that Dabolim Airport has secured second position among ACI airports and 59th position globally in the latest Airport Council International Airport Service Quality Survey for our category, that is 5 million plus passengers category. This is not just a trophy for our team, it is a testament for our commitment to excellence in passenger experience. A global benchmark, the ASQ survey is the gold standard in the aviation industry, measuring passenger satisfaction across 34 key performance indicators. To rank 59th globally means that travelers from across the world have recognized the warmth, efficiency and quality of service provided right here in Goa Airport at Dabolim. The ACI ASQ survey is the world's leading airport passenger service and benchmark program. ASQ measures passenger satisfaction and helps airports identify solutions to enhance customer experience, improve service offering and increase non-aeronautical revenue. Ranking second among AI airport is not just a win for the Goa International Airport, it is a win for the people of Goa. It's a team effort. This achievement is not the work of a single department. It is a result of seamless Team Goa approach. I want to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to those who have made it possible. The government of Goa for their unwavering support in infrastructure and tourism. Synergy is what I am referring to, the perfect synergy between the government of Goa and our organization. AI employees, my colleagues at the Airport Authority of India have worked tirelessly, often behind the scenes, to ensure our operations meet international standards. Regulatory and security bodies, like a special thanks to BCS, CSF, who are ensuring safety, secure and friendly environment to the passengers. Our border controls, like the customs and immigrations, have been streamlining the international travel journey. Our airlines and ground handling partners, they have done their job. Like it is a chain. All factors add on to the satisfaction level. The unsung heroes like the DPS appreciation goes to, like I was referring, or housekeeping and maintenance teams. They are the backbone of passengers' experience, keeping our terminal world class every single day. I also wish to share with you our future development programs. Like while we celebrate the silver ranking, we view this as a stepping stone. At the Airport Authority of India, our philosophy of the thought is rooted in continuous improvement. Upcoming extension of the terminal building on the eastern side will further ensure our commitment to provide world-class services to the passengers. More space, less of congestion, ease for the passengers, more facilities is our aim by this extension. Recently, the chiller replacement, like the air conditioning, was of some standard. We have improved it to the world standard now. The chillers, we have worked on it. So the AC part, the summers also are coming. So we will not face those problems which probably was existing earlier. With the addition of new aeroplanes, passengers' comfort will be enhanced. Illumination also, like we have taken few steps and in due course, you will find the lux level, like illumination level inside and in the concourse area better as per the standards of any good airport. We don't just manage an airport, we manage memories. Every passenger who steps into traveler deserves a memory, seamless, joyful transition to their destination. We have strived to do better and we will continue to innovate. Investing in technology, upgrading facilities, and enhancing our Goan hospitality to ensure we eventually reach that top slot. Like there is still scope for one. We are the second, we will strive for coming to the position of one. And we thank the people of Goa and our passengers for their valuable feedback and trust. We remain committed to serving you better. I'll finish this with Goa International Airport is more like not just a transit point. It is the first and the last impression of our vibrant state. This global ranking belongs to every Goan.